Bang. All right, good afternoon. It is Friday, April 2nd, 2021, and this is Vlog 64. Yay. Actually, is this 64? I just want to make sure I'm on the right number. I'm getting confused lately. I've been getting really confused on the dates because my the 100-day days are like in these also, so it's like I think I'm going to be having that issue as I go along because I'm doing 2 videos a day. Pretty crazy. What do I got today? Let's check out, actually. Let's do a tuning. I can't, I don't think I did one this morning. That's so crazy. Actually, my days have been like, yeah, I've been kind of splitting my days up into 2 days. I'll explain it in a minute. It's kind of crazy. But here we go. Yeah. So funny. I love it. My mom just wrote on there, like, I love your face when you come out of that. I guess I have a funny face. Anyways, yeah, that's my tuning for today, and it's 4 o'clock actually right now already. But yeah. What was I talking about my schedule? Like having 2 days in one. Like actually it happened today. And I'll tell you because like I woke up at 8 this morning, got ready, had to go to Dave's to do some video lessons. Yeah, we were just filming. And then I filmed real quick, came back, and then I did a sound check with Abe Lagrimas for the live show tomorrow. And then I was tired and I took a nap. Now I woke up like about an hour ago. Now I'm ready for my next day. So it's 2 days. Worked this morning, yesterday, and then now I'm just waking up. So this afternoon is another day. Pretty funny. So you get 2 days in one. That's how I kind of look at it. Pretty crazy. Actually, I learned that in World Financial Group. Yeah, it was just a book I read. Like people would split their days up into 3, actually, morning, afternoon, and evening. And think of it that way. It's kind of crazy. Actually, just thinking of it right now. Yeah, if you don't have a work schedule, like a work schedule, make up your own schedule, which that's what I do, is I make up my own schedule to accommodate my day. So that's it. Pretty cool, huh? Yesterday, April Fools. Hopefully, anybody have any cool April Fools jokes? That'd be pretty funny. Actually, at Verizon Yellow Pages. Oh my God. The Tula, she did the craziest one. It's actually, it's kind of like a mind thing too. She was like, oh my God. She would yell. We had like these little cubicles, and she would start yelling like, oh my God, do you guys smell that cinnamon roll? I go, no. And she goes, no, I just made some cinnamon rolls. And I go, what? And then she had a basket with her and like covered, and it just looked like there were cinnamon rolls in there. She goes, oh, I do smell those. Smells good. And then she would come over. She goes, you want one? And I'm like, heck yeah, those smell really good. And she'd open the basket, and there was nothing there. I was like, are you freaking joking me? And like, I swore to God that I could smell it. It's so funny. I was like, oh my God, she got me good. I think that was the best one. April Fools. But yeah, April Fools stuff. It's pretty funny. I didn't do anything yesterday, so that's crazy. Let's see what I did. Oh, actually, I was doing some self-learning yesterday, and I have this right now. What I'm recording on is called Ecamm. It's pretty awesome. Ecamm is pretty awesome. And then what happened was, like, I was watching the thing, and I just had a total epiphany on how to do stuff on Ecamm, and they just like so much better because of all the live shows that are happening. And yeah, there was some cool stuff, like widgets. Ooh, I can't wait to get into those. And like, yeah, there's some like cool stuff that I learned. But this program is getting really good for recording what I'm doing right now, like vlogs, and then doing the live shows. It's getting really cool. I can do a lot of cool stuff. So fun. Yeah, more to do. Another opportunity to help people do their live streams, which is cool, and just to have fun online, this is getting really cool. So that was my thought for yesterday. Yesterday, actually, I woke up at 8, had coffee, got ready, did my vlog 63, and then I wrote that I'm getting confused with 100 days, and because they're like, today is day 63 and my song day is 61, so today is 64 and my song day is gonna be 65 for my song today. I haven't done my song yet. I'm gonna do it after this. And then yeah, it was just confusing because like on day 61 or day 62 I said 61 and it was actually on 62. Pretty funny. But anyways, how the mind works, pretty gnarly. Where was I? Oh, I had an appointment. That's why I got up early yesterday. Did I? Appointment at DII, virtual appointment yesterday. Oh, yeah, that's right. With Ethan in New York, and yeah, it's cool. Ethan, like we talked, he was in New York, and he just had a few questions. I explained all the products, and he's like, cool, thank you. And he sent me afterwards, he sent me an email. He liked it and bought a handpan. He bought it online, so really cool. I think a lot of our customers, they see our stuff or hear about DIY handpans and ukuleles and stuff like that, and they just hear about us, but people want to check out the company, and see how they are. And I love how the virtual appointments, because they get to see a real person. We talk, they know we're doing good stuff. We're just a small business out there helping people get into instruments, which is cool. So awesome. And then I did my song yesterday, was Wonderwall by Oasis. Fun song to play. And chicken marsala, the pre-made meals from Trader Joe's, which are pretty good. They're like the new hipster style TV dinners. Remember Hungry Man? Hungry Man. I know they still have them, but oh my gosh, I can remember eating those TV dinners when I was little, right? TV dinners. But what did I learn yesterday? Actually, the live stream stuff was really cool. I had it's like when I don't know if it's an epiphany or paradigm shift, or you just see something that like I go, oh my god, I'm going to totally use that, and I know how to use it. And so yeah, I have some more learning to do. Wow, you learn, it's so crazy to think about the skills you need to learn in life to make it happen. I don't know, whatever you're trying to make happen, or just to be successful in the ways that you want to. Like right now, editing has been huge. Video editing. I was just watching we have I guess once a month, I guess, or every Friday. I don't know. They have, for the 100-day thing right now, they had like a live thing with Cynthia Lynn and some of the mods on there. And they were talking about, I came on late, but I guess I could watch it later. But they're talking about some skills that they did the flash mob, and there's the girl that did the editing or video editing. And I know I watched it and I was like, wow, that was a lot of editing. But I guess she was finding a Final Cut, so I was like, oh yeah. And they were asking if anybody wanted to help out, and I was like, oh, I do a lot of editing, so maybe Maybe I would, but that's a great skill. Video editing right now is an amazing skill because of YouTube. People want to do live stuff or just want to get like stuff online, and then especially all the ukulele players right now. There's a lot on there that like teach or want to perform, and yeah, learning how to do live shows online is, I think, a super skill for any musician, trainer, teacher, things like that, because right now this is, I guess, the way of the future. I don't know, especially for training or lessons. I do, I don't do a lot, but I do have live lessons, and this helps out a lot. Or knowing how to use Zoom, just all the tech stuff that is going on right now is just unbelievable. So you have to know that stuff, and fortunately, wow, I don't know if I don't know everything about it. It's just I'm very interested in it, and I like learning about it, so it's fun, and at the same time I get to get work done. So and anything that makes my life easier, and I see these things sometimes, I'm like, oh my gosh, like the microphones or the new Macs. Oh my gosh, they're so crazy right now. I can't wait to get mine, hopefully coming soon. Still waiting. And let's see what else. Yeah, just the skills that you need in life to work. Video editing, playing an instrument is pretty awesome. That's for self, just it keeps your brain sharp. It totally keeps your brain sharp. Selling, learning how to sell stuff. Whew. That is huge. Learning how to sell stuff is huge. And yeah, I've had a lot of training on that. Air Force recruiting, Full Financial Group, Verizon Yellow Pages, PC Mall. What else? Yeah, a lot. And it started when I was younger too. I used to sell subscriptions to newspapers door to door when I was in middle school. I would go knock door to door when I was like, I wasn't even 16. I would think I was like 12 or something, 12 or 13. It was crazy. I was young. Yeah, skills that you pick up as you go along, and that's lately it's been the sales skills, the editing, and the music. Actually, it's kind of expanded into a lot of different things because of the teaching and stuff. But yeah, the music has been really awesome for a lot of things. But I don't know why I'm talking about it. My mind's just open right now, and I'm just saying things. But I think I was just thinking about it the other day. I'm like, because everything's kind of opening up, and I was seeing more jobs that are available, and then I keep back. Yes, I'm back. All right. I am back. No, but I just saw a lot of people like, they're wondering what they're going to do in the future and what it's going to look like, because a lot of the jobs went away. Now they have to do new things. And I always thought about like how do you change? Like if you were doing something for a long time, and then how do you change? And I'm thinking about this because what do I teach? What would you say to somebody? What would be your words of wisdom in life on how to do it? I guess it's kind of a crazy question, because right now the way I grew up isn't the same, absolutely not, as today. And as the technology moved, it went quicker and quicker. So I see people getting left behind in knowledge on tech stuff, and then just in life in general. Like, wow. Like a big thing I'm thinking about is like how to survive. If everything else, like if I didn't imagine if you didn't live in the city and you just had to live on your own. Oh my God. Yeah. What would you do? Actually, that's so funny. Well, I remember Uncle said, if you grew up in Waialua, I guess you could survive. Living off the land and doing all that stuff. I think that's a huge thing that's been lost. That, we just don't think about those things. But, yeah, it's just thoughts. Let's look at birthdays today. Birthdays. Birthdays today. Jeremy Lebreu. Yes. Jeremy. Oh, yeah. Oh, my gosh. At one time, Corey Keene, when I used to hang out with those guys all the time, Jeremy was part of the crew. And he shaped surfboards, which is awesome. And we used to go to his house and skate his mini ramp. And they'd have mini ramp jams. And that was fun. So, happy birthday, Jeremy. I haven't seen you in a long time. But I know you're doing good. I keep seeing your stuff on Facebook and the cool surfboards you're doing. And I hope you have a happy birthday. Sharon Norris Yaris, family member on the Yaris side. Aloha, happy birthday. And I think that's it. That's all I got to. Nathan Smith? Nathan Smith. There's some people that. Nathan Smith. Happy birthday, Nathan. Awesome. Another, I think, ukulele friend or family friend. But yeah, happy birthday to all of those on April 2nd. It is Friday, and you guys have a Friday to party on. Pretty awesome. But anyways, I think that's all I got for you today. I have to finish up on do my 100-day song, and I think I'm just going to go for it. Yeah, I'm going to totally go for it. This is a hard song. But I will do it anyways. Let's see, I'll pick right here. I guess that's why they call it the blues on Friday for Elton John. That's what's happening today. So, I guess that's what I'm going to do. Amazing. But it is April 2nd. It is Friday. It is vlog 64. Going into the weekend. This weekend, I have a live show tomorrow. Then I have a Ook Social. I have a live show with Abe Lagrimas. That's going to be fun. And Sunday, I think, is a chill day. But, yeah. Oh, yeah, it's Easter this weekend. It's Easter. It's still a chill day. Happy Easter to everybody. Hopefully, I don't know if we're coloring eggs or something. I can't remember what we're doing. We're doing something. We'll see. But yeah, it is vlog 64, and that's all I have for you. And like always, what is it? I guess that's why they call it the blues. Every day, keep on strumming ukulele. Yeah, see you on Monday. Have a great weekend.